Alright guys, do have a good one for you guys today. I am extremely excited to get this open, so let's open this up. Sorry about that, I have no idea what just happened. The GoPro just stopped out of nowhere. But I got this opened. What I got here is going to be the BlendMount, the MirrorTap, to put this directly into our mirror. And then, of course, here's the unboxing of this Valentine One Gen2. Alright, what we have in here is going to be your visor clip in case you want to mount it to your visor. Alright, this is going to be the power, but we're not going to be utilizing this because we're tapping in directly into the mirror for power. But this is how it would be. We got a couple more wires here. Extension, and then of course we have our Gen 2 right here with our windshield mount right here. We're still going to be utilizing this mount, but not the suction cups. We're going to be removing these suction cups so we can utilize the blend mount. But that is going to be it for the unboxing right there. Let's move on to the car so we can get this installed. Alright, here we have our stuff. Let me set you guys up so then you guys can get a good look at what we're going to be doing today. Alright guys, so the first thing you guys want to do is remove this plastic cover from here. There's going to be a couple clips right here and here that you need to pry out in order to get that removed. Alright guys, so once you guys have that cover off, what you guys want to do is take this clip right here, undo it, so you could tap into this. There should be a clip right here, you just push up, and then that should just slide right out. Alright, in my case I don't have that many wires, there's only 3, a black, pinkish, yellowish, and a bright orange one. So what you want to do if you have this type of connection is black is going to go to black and then red is going to go to pink. All right, let's start off with a black. Got my black pin right here. You're going to tap into that black wire just like that. Take my red one. I'm going to be tapping into that pink one. Just like that. Alright, once you have those two connected, you're going to take your power cord that's included as well in there. And of course, you're just going to put red to red and black to black. Alright. They did include some heat shrink in there if you guys want to put it, as well as some electrical tape in case you guys want to put it around these connections right here. I'll do that later on, but for right now, for the purpose of this video, let's get this connected and see if we have power. All right. That is connected now. And let's check if we got power. Bam. Just like that, we have power, guys. All right, so the next thing that I want to do is obviously I'm going to disconnect this and I'm going to set up this blend mount. All right, guys, so we're back here to show you guys how to install this blend mount. All right, so the blend mount comes just like this. Obviously what you want to do is remove this right here, this top portion or this top screw. This is where the actual mirror is gonna go and clip into, right here. All right, but let's remove this right here. Let's put this back in for now, slightly. All right, and then what we wanna do here with the Valentine One Gen2 is remove this clip. All you gotta do is push down on here and slide up, just like that. We're gonna put that to the side. All right, and what we want to do is actually remove these two suction cups right here. So all you want to do is pry up. Oh. So all you want to do is pry up. Just like that, easy. All right, guys, so once you guys have this out, what you guys want to do is remove these screws right here, because what you want to do is basically get them or get this mount to go just like that. But obviously those screws need to go underneath here. So you basically want the mount to go in like that. And then what you want to do is obviously put the screws back in here, tighten them up, and you're all set with that mount right there. All right, so once you have that on tight, that's how the mount should look like. Just like that. All right, guys, so I ended up putting everything back together, and I put the wire through the middle where the neck goes right there. All right, so now you're gonna take this mount and try to get in between there. If you can't, then just undo this part right here, so then you can remove this whole clip. All right, we got it removed. All right, we got it back in there. I'm gonna set the wire to the side. Put the top screw on. Tighten the bottom one back up. It looks like we need to adjust this. All right, once you guys have everything tightened down, that's what it's gonna look like right there. Just like that. I know it was dark before, so if you guys are wondering where I got the cable out of, it's gonna be right through the middle, right there. That's where the cable is coming from. So all we gotta do now is connect this straight into the V1 Gen2, just like that. Fix the cable up a little bit, and that's what it'll look like. Alright guys, if you guys want a full review on the V1 Gen2, I'll leave a link in the description below. There's a pretty good explanation of everything and all the functions of the V1 Gen2. I think the guy's name or the channel's name is Vortex. I'll leave the link down below, and then you guys could go see that if you guys want to see all the functionality of the V1 Gen2. But this is just going to be the install of it right there, guys. And of course, when you turn on the vehicle itself right here, it'll go on with the vehicle itself. And if you turn it off, it'll go off with the vehicle. So power's working good. It's great. I like it. I love how it looks. But that is going to be it for this video, guys. I appreciate all my new subscribers. I appreciate all my supporters. Stay tuned. I do have my rear wicker build from Z01 coming soon. I believe this Friday it's gonna arrive here, and it's gonna go on right away. If you guys want a discount from this blend mount, I'll also leave a link down below where you'll get 12% off if you use that link. So if you want to grab one of these right here, click on that link below. But that is it. See you guys next time. Peace.